There's a mug. There's a mug with beer. Here, Maria said there's a mug of beer. But Maite say it's wine. Why do you say wine, Maite? It's typical. That's typical to contain wine. Okay, so Miguel Angel thinks there are different families because what else is happening here?
Have a couple there.
Carolina said there's a couple. A couple. There's a couple behind. And what is happening with this couple behind? What do you think is happening with this couple?
They are talking about something.
They are talking about something.
They are engaged.
They're engaged. So Francisco said they are engaged. They are going to be married. Their boyfriend and girlfriend is engaged. When?
During the dessert.
During the dessert. They are having the dessert because of the cake. And Miguel, during the summer. The summertime. Why? Juan Pablo thinks it's summer. Why do you think it's summer, Juan Pablo?
Because the weather is sunny.
Because the weather is sunny. It's a sunny day. But Jolan thinks it's spring. Why do you think it's a spring?
Because all the green.
Because everything is green.
They have a reunion.
They are a union.
Reunion.
Oh, they are meeting. So Miguel thinks it's a meeting. In English,